Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Notion cover in Canva. If you want your Notion pages to look more polished, organized, and visually appealing, creating a custom cover is a simple way to do it. Canva makes this process very beginner-friendly and in just a few minutes. You can design something that fits your style and works well inside Notion. To get started, open Canva and click the Create a Design button in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Custom Size at the bottom. Here, set the width to 1500 pixels and the height to 600 pixels. This size works well for a Notion cover because it gives you a wide banner-style image that fits nicely across the top of the page. Once those dimensions are entered, click Create New Design. Now it's time to design your cover. If you want a quick starting point, go to the search bar on the left and browse templates by searching for something like Notion banner or desktop header. This can save time and give you a layout you can customize instead of starting from scratch. You can also build the design yourself by using the Elements tab. This is where you can add background patterns, shapes, and illustrations to create the overall look you want. If you are going for a clean aesthetic, try keeping the background simple and not too crowded. That usually works best for Notion. Next, add your text. Choose clean, easy to read fonts so your cover stays legible and stylish. One important thing to remember is that Notion covers stretch across the screen, so avoid placing important words or design details too close to the far left or right edges. Keeping the main content more centered will help make sure it still looks good on different screen sizes. Once your design is finished, download the image. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Then choose Download. You'll be able to select the file type. PNG is the best option if you want the sharpest, crispest quality, while JPG is useful if you want a smaller file size. After choosing the format you prefer, click Download and save the image to your device. The final step is adding your new cover to Notion. Open your workspace in Notion and hover near the top of the page where the cover area appears. Click Add Cover, or if here is already an image there. Click the existing cover and choose Change Cover. In the pop-up menu, click Upload. Then select the Canva image file you just downloaded. And that's it, you now have a custom Notion cover made in Canva and uploaded to your page.